In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a Google Ads campaign. If you need to halt spend quickly or retire a campaign that's no longer relevant, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each option means so you can choose confidently. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Open your browser, go to the Google Ads homepage, and log in with the account that owns the campaign. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're in the correct one before making changes. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and open the campaigns section. This shows a table with all campaigns, their status, budget, and recent performance. If you don't see the campaign right away, use the search bar at the top or add a filter for status equals enabled to narrow it down. Find the campaign you want to stop and click the checkbox beside it. You can select more than one if you intend to stop several at once. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right items by scanning the names and the current status column. With the campaign selected, a toolbar appears above the table. Click Edit. This opens a drop-down with bulk actions you can apply to your selection. Using Edit ensures the change is applied consistently across everything you checked, which is great for cutting spend across multiple campaigns in one move. From the Edit menu, choose either Pause or Remove. Pause immediately stops your ads from serving, but keeps all settings and history intact. You can resume later by switching the status back to enabled, and your performance data remains available the entire time. Remove, on the other hand, is for retiring a campaign. It stops delivery and effectively archives the campaign. The historical data stays in your reports, but a removed campaign can't be re-enabled, so use this when you're sure you won't need it again. After choosing an option, confirm the change and watch the status update to paused or removed in the table. New charges won't accrue after the change takes effect, although you may still see costs finalized for impressions or clicks that happened just before you stopped the campaign. As a quick best practice, refresh the page and review your date range in the status column to verify there are no new impressions after the time you made the change. If you only meant to stop specific parts of a campaign, you can apply the same pause action at the ad group or ad level instead. That's it. You now know exactly how to stop a Google Ads campaign safely and correctly.